Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the Haisstronica self-adjusting wire stripper. So this is going to be a 3-in-1 wire stripper. That's why I went with this one. So I just need one tool to strip the wire. Also can cut the wire, and it also crimps. It's heavy duty and it's great for any electrical wire from 10 gauge to 24 gauge. And you can see here, I already kind of pre-stripped some right there, but you're going to get right here a very sharp blade for cutting. And then you also have your color crimpers right down here. And then this is self-adjusting right up here for stripping that wire with this plastic guard. So if you wanted to, you can see here, I'll show you there. That's like it hits this like stopper right there. And then you can squeeze and it strips. But you can also adjust it. If you need a little bit longer, you can shoot that out by pushing this button in. And now you can see you can get more of a exposed wire by pushing out this plastic guard. Now, if you just need to come in a little bit more, you can just slide it in. And so you can just go ahead, and once you're at especially if you're stripping multiple wire, you can just leave this guard here, this set in place, and then just keep stripping really quickly. And it's got a nice spring action, feels nice in the hands. So overall, really nice tool to have if you're doing a lot of electrical work, because this is going to be 3-in-1 and solve that issue of having multiple tools, because this can do those three things: crimping, cutting, and then splicing the wire. So stripping the wire. So definitely check this out. Highly recommend this if you're into electrical work or need to strip multiple wires.